Can we make money with dropship.io? And this year, well, the short answer is yes. The longer answer might be it's complicated. And I'm going to tell you why. We're going to unpack this website. And also I'm going to show you another one. And we're going to talk about some marketing strategies that work this year. And we're going to see essentially whether dropshipping in general is still profitable for us. So yeah, you've probably heard about dropship.io. That's probably why you're watching this video. Dropship.io is a place where you can automate bunch of these things when it comes to drop shipping. And of course, you can integrate it with Shopify, you can integrate it with WooCommerce, Amazon, whatever you'd like. And they help you build the website. They have a lot of features. And of course, they help you find the products. If you head over to the website now, you will have to just Google for it or just head over to dropship.io. I'm not affiliating for them. There's not going to be any link down there. Just make yourself an account so you have to, because you're going to have this 7-day free trial for yourself. So you don't have to pay it right now. And that's a good thing. So this is how it's going to look like. First of all, you will have to choose the plan. There's this basic plan, which I would always use if I just wanted to go with it. But there's 7-day free trial for yourself. But of course, you will have to specify the payment info because they will charge you after 7 days. Unless you cancel your subscription. Once you're in it, well, they will try to upsell you with a Shopify store. They tell you that they're gonna give you a fully optimized website for $49. Now, I don't know, and I was not actually satisfied with the website that I've got for these $49, whatever this niche is. By the way, if you're gonna talk niche, it's gonna be health, beauty, pets, home improvement, or tech gadgets, all right? So these niches are gonna work on TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, whatever the traffic source of yours is. But yeah, those are the niches. You can't go with gardening anymore. You can't go with something, this year and probably the next one, probably tech gadgets and home improvement and health and beauty is going to work. So yeah, just think that way. But let's get back to the website. If you want to take this one, for example, pet store, you're going to get 30 products as well, which is not bad. You get some pre-vetted products, which are selected by AI probably for $49. This is good. It's going to save you some time, but the website is not so good. All right. So I'll just go and I'll click on skip offer button right here. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Skip the offer, and then you just head back to your dashboard. Now, you can use AI to generate the store, or you can connect your Shopify store here already if you have it. If you don't have a Shopify store, they will just help you to get one. They will give you the link, probably their affiliate link, and this is AI to generate the store. If you choose that one, then you're just gonna go with this. You're gonna have to connect Shopify, and then they will create you the store for you. Now, the main reason why we're here is that we wanna use AI search, all right? This is what Dropship.io is. We wanna automate it. We want AI to give us the info, what kind of products perform well, and what kind of products will sell this year and next one. So product library here. In the overview, you are gonna find a lot of these things. But what I don't like about Dropship is that there is huge lack of filters. They just put something like this. There are some of these filters, but it's so bunched up and it's so crazy and you just don't know where to look, all right? So there's one more red flag from me for Dropship.io and I'm completely not satisfied with it. It totally depends on your time again. And remember, we want to save time because we have AI tools, right? Why shouldn't we get the products right away, listed, maybe 20, 30 of these to just pick right away, rather than just going and scrolling and scouring through this long lists of products? We don't want to do that. So that is exactly why I use another site. And I'm not affiliating with it. I'm just using it. It's called Doba. You can just Google for it. It looks like this. It is over at doba.com. And firstly, on Doba, you get 14 days trial for $1, right? So you pay $1, but you get 14 days to see what it is. Now, what is really good about this one is that it targets the US territory the best because they've got 90% of the products stocked in US warehouses. And that means that the shipping times are going to be so good. And also they pre-vet all the products and they've got beautiful AI tools. So let me just show you, let me just log into my account. This is what it looks like on Doba. First of all, this is the homepage where you can just select all these products with pictures and all. That's what I lack on Dropship.io, these big pictures to see. And here, if you click on My Doba, you've got a lot of these little tools that can help you build your own store and find the products. If you head over to the AI Tool Hub, there's going to be an AI store builder, which will give you 10 products and you don't have to pay anything extra. All right. So you don't pay anything extra. They give you the store, you connect it to Shopify, whatever, and it's going to work right away. Now, there's also AI Product Finder, which is one of the best things that you will ever see. AI Product Finder just gives you the option to put some filters, and it's going to give you the best performing products out there. And down here, you can see some of these items that I've viewed, for example, in beauty and health. You just specify the niche, and then you get the best performing products for that niche. You know, you get like 9, 12 of these, and then you can, of course, load more down there. And with one click of a button, you can add to inventory list, or you can just list it to store right away. It's a really good thing. Doba is far better. Now just give me a minute for my sponsors today. Quick shout out to this video sponsor, Proxy for You, the proxy provider trusted by pros worldwide. Featured on Yahoo, Benzinga, and Business Insider, Proxy for You is changing the proxy game with performance and transparency that's hard to beat. They offer residential, mobile, and data center proxies in more than 195 countries. It's perfect for scraping, automation, and of course, stealth browsing. No expiry dates, no monthly fees, no limitations. Just pure pay-as-you-go freedom. It's got 4.8 on reviews.io and 4.6 on Trustpilot. People trust Proxy for You because it works. Click the link down there in the description and upgrade your workflow with Proxy for You today. Get started completely for free. No credit card needed. Now, when it comes to the marketing section, well, you know that is really important, and I use Pinterest and I use TikTok. Pinterest I use for health and beauty products, and this is the reason. Pinterest demographics are predominantly female. Women make up the largest portion of Pinterest users, with percentages often cited around 70%. So 70%. And if you take a look at the traffic on Pinterest.com nowadays, it has over 1 billion people on it. So there's 1 billion visits from your customers, right? So yeah, this should give you some ideas on what kind of products you should promote there. And it's really easy to make these pictures instead of videos, right? I like Pinterest. I get a lot of sales through Pinterest. But then of course, the old way is always gonna be TikTok. If you can create these videos, if you can order some of these items and film these videos yourself, well, firstly, just put them on TikTok organic. And if they get like 10K views, just put the ads on them as well. And that is essentially how it works. But you gotta know that this is not an easy task. This is not an overnight success. And if you're just starting out, start slowly. Don't expect miracles. It's not gonna give you like thousands of dollars every single week as soon as you start it. Months might pass, all right? It will depend on you. And you know, you don't need any kind of course. You've got all the help you need on all of these websites, whether you choose dropship.io or Doba. They've got people that can teach you beginner things if that's what you're looking for, and they're not gonna charge extra for it, right? So you have to take risk. First of all, you have to learn, you have to work on it every day. And you know, down the line, maybe 8 months from now, this can turn out to be a good side hustle. And you still can't quit your 9-to-5 job, right? It's not like 2001. So yeah, that's it. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.